Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your DeepSeek account step by step. If you already have a DeepSeek account but don't know how to sign in, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official DeepSeek website. On the home page, click the Login button to open the login page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address you used to create your DeepSeek account. Next, enter your password in the password field. After entering your login details, click the Login button. If your email address and password are correct, you'll be signed into your DeepSeek account and taken to the home page. If you've forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password option, verify your email address, create a new password, and then log in again. I've already logged into my account to save time, so I'll just show you what the DeepSeek home page looks like after logging in. From here, you can click New Chat to start a new conversation, ask questions, generate content, translate text, write emails, summarize articles, or use many other AI features. That's all it takes to log into your DeepSeek account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.